Governor Ron DeSantis says Leon County's vaccine mandate is against SB 2006, which was passed in May of this year. But Leon County says that is not how the law applies. Our Capitol reporter, Forrest Saunders, has a closer look at the multi-million-dollar fine.
This is a big penalty, but when the county and all local governments were warned of a few weeks ago, the state today delivering on that promise.
With this letter, health officials have notified Leon County it now owes the state $3.57 million in the next 30 days. The fine coming after Governor DeSantis vowed last month to smack local governments with penalties for requiring employees have COVID shots. Leon, the first to get hit.
We're going to make sure people are able to make their own choices. We're not going to discriminate against people based on those choices, and you're going to have a right to operate in society.
The Capitol County cited $5,000 for each of its more than 700 workers. The letter saying the shot requirements break Florida law.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
But not everyone agrees. DeSantis is using SB 2006. It's a new law originally created to ban vaccine passport requirements, not shot mandates. Leon County saying, quote, there is a genuine disagreement about the applicability of the statute and rule, and the county will enforce its rights using any remedies available at law, if necessary. And SB 2006 is already facing legal challenge. A Sarasota craft store calls its provisions a violation of First Amendment rights. A circuit judge set to rule as soon as this week. Meanwhile,
employers are seeing this as a net win for them.
White House officials continue to support vaccine mandates as beneficial to public health and the economy. Dr. Cameron Webb telling us as many as 5 million people may return to the workforce if shot requirements are used to bolster safety.
Think about the good that it can do to their local economies, the good it can do for their businesses, because really it has huge potential for getting us back to some semblance of normal.
And federal officials are still working on Biden's vaccine mandate for businesses with 100 or more employees. Workers would need to get shots or face weekly testing. But Governor DeSantis saying on Tuesday that once those rules are formalized, he expects the state of Florida will be challenging it in court. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.